Assalamu alaikum class. Today our topic of discussion is the metamorphosis. First of all, we have to define what is metamorphosis. It is the change in the growth and the development of insect from the immature to the mature, or you can say that developmental changes that happen from egg to the adult. The complete series of this physiological and anatomical changes is known as the metamorphosis. There are four basic types of metamorphosis in insects. No metamorphosis, gradual metamorphosis, which is also known as the parometabola, incomplete metamorphosis, which is known as the hemimetabola, metaboa, and the complete metamorphosis, which is known as the hollow metamorphosis. In no metamorphosis, a metabola or examples are the silverfish. Egg is converted into the young one, and young one is converted into the adult. This one is the most primitive type of metamorphosis. Hatching insects adult in all aspects. Resemble with adult in all aspects except with the size, or you can say that young ones are the miniature adults. Ametabolous development. Here you can see the egg. It is hatched, and young one is released. The shape of young one is almost similar, but there is a difference in the size of the young and the adult. This can be seen in the Columbola order springtails, and the chewing and the sucking lice. Incomplete metamorphosis or the hemimetamorphosis. Basically, metamorphosis have four stages: egg, larvae, nymph, and the adult. If all these four stages are present in the life cycle of the insect, then that type of metamorphosis is known as the complete metamorphosis. If some stage is missing, then this is known as the hemimetabolous or incomplete metamorphosis. Examples are the dragonfly, dempsey fly, and the mayfly. Egg is converted into nid and the adult. In incomplete metamorphosis, young ones are mostly aquatic and called naiads. They are different from the adults. They breathe by the mean of the tracheal gills. Definitely, they live in water. So, in water, a tracheal system is not working properly. So, they have gills for gaseous exchange. The lower lip is called the mask, which is hinged and provided with hooks for capturing prey. Their habit and habitat vary. After final molt, the insects have fully developed wings suitable for aerial life. Gradual metamorphosis, which is known as the parometabola. Gradual metamorphosis is seen in the cockroach. Egg is converted into the nymph, and nymph is converted into the adult. The young ones are called the nymph. They are the terrestrial and they resemble adults in their general body form. Their compound eyes and mouth parts are similar to that of adults. Both nymphs and adults share the same habitat. They lack wings and external genitalia. Wing buds externally appear in the later in stars. The genitalia development is gradual. A later in star nymph closely resemble the adult with the successive molts. Here you can see that egg is converted into the nymphs, and then nymphs are converted into the adult. This is gradual metamorphosis. Egg, first larva, nymph, these are the various nymphal stages, and then this is the adult. Complete metamorphosis, holometabolis. Complete metamorphosis is seen in the butterflies and the moths. Here you life stages you can see: egg, larvae, pupae, and adult. These all our life stages are present in the complete metamorphosis. Larvae of the butterfly is called the caterpillar. Larvae differ greatly in form from adult. Compound eyes are present in the larvae. Lateral ocelli or stomata are the visual organs. Their mouth parts and food habit differ from the adults. Wing buds development is internal. When the larval growth is complete, it is followed by a period of inactivity, pre-pupa, and transform into the pupa. In the pupal stages, the larval tissue disintegrate and the adult organs are built up. Here you can see that egg is converted into the small caterpillar. Then it is converted into the large caterpillar growth occur here. It is converted into the pupae, and then it is converted into the adult. It is also seen in the beetles, members of the order Coleoptera. Egg is converted into the larvae. It is converted into pupae and then adult. It is also seen in the Diptera. Eggs converted into the larvae. Larvae converted into pupae, and then it is converted into the adult. Ants, wasps, and the bees, they belong to the adult Hymenoptera. The eggs are converted into larvae, larvae converted into pupae, and then it is into the adult ant. Hypermetamorphosis bristle beater, it is common in the hemi and holometabolous insects. More than one larval stages is present in this type of metamorphosis. Uh, Here you can see that egg is converted into the grub, grub is converted into the triangulin, it is converted into pupae, and it is converted into adult, and then adult releases egg. In the similar way, this life cycle moves on. This is the completion of the topic. Thank you, class.